Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best corner tubs that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. KaCarver Tubs. The KaCarver Tubs is made with high-quality fiberglass and acrylic materials. Its manufacturer believes in crafting tubs that are luxurious, stain-resistant and scratch-resistant. This tub comes with excellent features like a whirlpool, air massage, Bluetooth speakers, heated whirlpool, and more. It has 6 or 12 jets that are powered by 110V motor. You can control the jet in any direction to target stress points. With the KaCarver Tubs, SKC5555, you can create a spa-like environment using the heated 20-jet air massage. You will enjoy a hydrotherapy massage to boost the circulation of oxygen and blood in your body. Alternatively, you can opt for the vibrasonic massage system to eradicate soreness, tenderness, and discomfort. Its bathtub heater regulates the temperature of the water in the tubs. Turn it on and set the temperature you desire. KaCarver Tubs factored in the needs of users with sleeping patterns and seasonal affective disorder through its chromotherapy light therapy system. Experts state the KaCarver Tubs is eco-friendly, and the water system is hygienic. The seller confirmed the chromotherapy bulbs need a 110V GFI outlet to power it. One user claims it saves space and comes with a good heart-shaped design. At number 4. Spa World Vency. Like the KaCarver Tubs, SKC5555, the Spa World Vency is made of acrylic materials that make it long-lasting. The tub weighs 292 pounds. It has a modern-style finish that boosts the aesthetics of bathrooms with limited space. This equipment offers 8 directional and adjustable water jets that are powered by a 1 HP pump. Its friction heater conserves energy by maintaining the temperature of the water in tubs. Experts say the Spa World Vency VZ6060 SWR has a central drainage system that clears the water to enhance the hygiene levels. You can use detergents or bleach, then turn on the water to flow for 10 to 15 minutes before draining the tub. Wipe it clean. This tub is also pre-leveled, hence it's easy to install. Its pump is positioned on the left side, so ensure the machine it is in line with the primary drainage system during installation. Users love the oval-shaped tub and the molded-in seat. The manufacturer states its oval opening design blends with bathrooms with different design settings. Its slip-resistant molded seat is comfy. Experts state the acrylic non-porous surfaces foster easy cleaning. They also claim its high-gloss white finish has matching buttons and jet faces. At number 3. Neptune Wind WI60D. Neptune Wind WI60D is a contemporary corner tub that is available in white, black, biscuit, sandbar, and ice gray colors. Neptune seller states it can hold up to 56 gallons of water. The Neptune Wind WI60D has a luxurious design featuring a tiling range and skirt style that suits styling modern bathrooms. Products Neptune mentions it's a good deep soak corner tub. Its deep ergonomic basins blend perfectly with its smooth, sophisticated lines. They also insist it is made of a durable high-gloss acrylic material that is easy to clean. This equipment has several safety features like the Secura suction that is built into its vertical bathtub contour. It makes bathing safe for children aged 12 years and above. The system self-regulates itself or stops instantly if it detects any hazards. The Neptune Wind WI60D has therapeutic features like Aureola heated backrest and chromotherapy lights for added comfort. Its jet propels water and warm air forcefully to hit target points and provide deep tissue massage. Its jets are positioned strategically. You can adjust the water flow from multi-directional, energetic to soothing according to your stress points. At number 2, Atlantis Whirlpool's 6060V Venus. The Atlantis Whirlpool's 6060V Venus is a soaking bathtub weighing 150 pounds. It comes with an oval interior design that looks awesome on the corners of square-shaped bathrooms. The manufacturer says it consumes up to 40 GPM of water. It's made with acrylic materials. Unlike regular tubs, the acrylic surface retains heat to keep the water warm for long hours. However, the surface is not rigid and scratches fast if you neglect the care and maintenance practices. Read through the manual to get the right disinfection routines. Atlantis Whirlpool recommends it for residential use only. It has a glossy white finish that matches with several interior design trends. Like the previous corner tubs, the Atlantis Whirlpool's 6060V Venus blends with modern bathrooms with different design settings. This equipment also has a central drainage system that channels the waste and makes cleaning easy before the next bathing sessions. Experts also claim its acrylic surface is non-porous and makes sanitization easy. At number 1, KOHLER K1155. The KOHLER K1155-05454 is another lightweight small corner tub that holds 60 gallons of water or more. Experts mention it's the best two-person corner hot tub. It comes with a space-saving design that complements decor in modern bathrooms with limited space. KOHLER praises this machine for the corner layout, molded lumbar support, and integral faucet. The corner layout reduces the footprint without compromising the bathing area for two, while the molded lumbar support provides extra comfort while soaking in the water. The KOHLER offers hydrotherapy options like soaking bath, whirlpool, and whirlpool heater. The soaking tub is soothing and favors couples seeking to relieve stress through relaxation. The corner whirlpool tub is great for lessening the pain in joints and muscles, especially after a hectic day. It boosts the functionality of the organs. This machine pairs well with cable bath drain with PVC tubing and removable bath/whirlpool pillows. Unfortunately, the KOHLER lacks a drain assemble or overflow drain. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.